Canva's whiteboard works great. If I want to have a collaborative space where multiple people are working, works great. Miro seems to do the same thing. In that case, where there's multiple options and all of them are paid, the bottom line probably comes down to what are you already paying for? Jamboard is end of life in the next few months. What are my thoughts on replacement that integrates nicely with Workspace? I've been testing out Canva for a whiteboard, and I've also used Miro boards as well. We've used Figma once. I don't have any clear winner that I absolutely love yet. Canva's whiteboard works great. If I want to have a collaborative space where multiple people are working, works great. Miro seems to do the same thing. In that case, where there's multiple options and all of them are paid, the bottom line probably comes down to what are you already paying for? Canva, I'm already paying for because I've got a Canva account, my creatives use it. We've got a couple of paid licenses for it already. So we're probably going to end up using Canva. Does Miro have a few extra options that Canva doesn't have? Yes. But my philosophy is if you've got a tool and it does 80% of what you need, rather than doubling up for another subscription just to have the best-in-class tool, it's probably smarter for you to work with the one that's 80% of the way there. So that's my recommendation. Look at what you're already using. Try out a couple of them. I'll do a more in-depth video on it soon and try and help you to identify what are the good bits on each of them. But I haven't had any real standout features that I think are absolutely amazing on any of them. It's really just can I draw squiggly lines with my iPad pencil? Yes, great. Can I drag and drop and move stuff around in a freeform canvas? Yes, great. Okay, it's fit for purpose. I'm still bummed that my Jamboard will eventually stop working very soon, actually, in a month or two. It will become a very expensive red brick, which I'm very sad about, and I think it's a terrible waste, but that's Google.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, IT Genius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.